Hey guys, Chris from Flow Brackets. Today I'm going to show you how to install heritage plates onto a Ghibli S using our specialty parts, including our Plinth delete kit. Let's get into it. Okay, before we get into all the parts, first let's take off the plate along with the backing plate. All you gotta do is take off with the screws and things will drop out. So the first part we're going to install is the Plinth delete. Now, this car would have come with a big box. Some dealerships don't install them, but if you don't use the big box, the problem is if you mount a plate straight to this edge, it's going to be quite wobbly. So we basically redesigned that big box and shrunk it down to this. So that way, one, it fits snug against the car. Two, you've got a nice, strong, flat surface to mount a number plate onto. To install this is easy. Just line up the two holes on the plinth and the car. If it's not already there, you just need to drill it out and put the screws in. Now that we have a nice solid flat surface to mount a plate on, the second part is to grab a number plate bracket that matches the number plate. Now this is a two-part mounting solution. So first you need a plinth, second you need a bracket. So for example, if you're gonna run European plates, grab yourself a European bracket that will attach to any of the holes on the plinth and then the plate can go on. If you have, say, signature plates, you grab a signature bracket that goes on in its place and your plate can go on. So no matter what plate you run, there will be a right combination for you. Now in this case, we'll be fitting 3-digit heritage plates. Now these are handmade plates, so the holes are always going to change. So we have made a custom bracket that matches this plate and these holes. And again, this will just mount up to this and then the bolts go straight into the plate and give you a nice floating look like. Now onto the rear, pretty simple. Just take off everything you see, all the screws that are visible. These cars do have some factory mounting points on the back, so I'll show you what they look like. So as you can see two pairs of factory holes actually. So these white ones are factory from the manufacturer. These two holes here, I believe are done either at the dealership or just before they come to port, and they line up with the Australian holes. So what we've done is we've got a custom bracket which lines up with the holes on the car and lines up with the handmade plate. So all you got to do is mount up to the hole in the car, and then your plate lines up with the micro adjustments either top and bottom, and it goes straight on the car. What I'm going to do as part of installation is put a little bit of double-sided tape at the back. It's not to stick to the car, it's just to stop the bracket from tapping against the car every time you shut the boot. That's how you get heritage plates mounted on the Maserati Ghibli S. Now just remember, the front is a two-part mounting solution, so you need a plinth to suit the car and a bracket to suit your number plate style. The rear, you just need the bracket because it goes into the factory holes. So I hope you found this video useful, and thanks for watching.